I've been a puppet maker with Hands Up Puppets for nearly 30 years, and over the past few days I've been looking at a style of puppet that primary school age children could make, and I've come up with a design based on tongue depressors. It's very simple, but it carries quite a lot of different styles of puppet. That's characters and characterizations. Get to work, everybody! Pay attention! Get making puppets! They're lip sync capable, and you just need a few craft materials, a little bit of foam, some stick glue, and beyond that, most of the other materials I've used have been things I've found around the workshop or things I've been able to recycle, old jumpers, etc. Our YouTube channel is Hands Up Puppets, and there you'll find lots of instructions, videos of how I made these characters. Simple to follow. Enjoy, make puppets.
Okay, yeah, great. Love puppets.